Hello YouTube, Frosty here, the IPA guy, where we try all the best IPAs from around the country and we give them a score from 1 to 10. Today's recommendation comes from Bill Bushkin from Milpitas, California, recommending the Go Blue Bunny with a Chainsaw IPA from Paperback Brewery in Glendale, California. And full disclosure, a little cold here on the East Coast, getting ready for the nor'easter. Going to be coming in a few days. Waiting for my shipment of heating oil. Hasn't come yet. So, you know what? But, this is what Frosty does. He makes it happen. He sucks it up. He deals with the cold. He puts on the fur. Makes it happen. So, anyway. Okay. Let's go ahead and give this one a pour, a sniff, a sip, and a score, and see what we think. Ooh, excited tonight. You know what I've decided? Going to start reading some fan mail once in a while. Pretty simple. You say, Frosty, you give people your address? And I say, yeah. If you message me, I send you a questionnaire. It's a one question questionnaire. Are you going to kill me? If the answer is no, I'll give you my address and you can send me some fan mail. Anyway, first one tonight. I get a lot of them, but this is the first one I'll read on the video. So pretty excited about that. Just kind of randomly pick them, Anyway. Ooh. That's a beautiful color. It's a hazy, so you know what? It's nice and gold. Frosty loves his IPAs gold, like his precious metals. This is white gold, but I love regular gold as well. This one is beautiful. Let's give it a sniff and see if it really pops. And it does. Ooh, that is real nice. Oh, you can probably hear the storm in the background. That nor'easter's coming. Ooh. Hate the nor'easters, people. Causing havoc here on the East Coast. Well, I'm pretty excited about this one. It's definitely fruity, definitely a little bit funky. Not skunky, people. Not skunky, but a little bit funky. Ooh. That is different. That is different. Color, very nice. A little bit hazy, a little bit cloudy. That's typical for a hazy. Very nice. The aroma really pops. Pops nice and bright. A lot of little effervescence going here. Got a little taste here. Ooh. Ooh. It's not bad. That is not a bad hazy IPA. Very fruity, very tropical, a little bit funky, not skunky. Not skunky. A little bit funky. Ooh. Wow. It's not bad. It's not going to get the greatest score ever. It's not going to get a low score. Going to get a pretty good score. It's not going to be the 8s. Definitely not going to be the 8s. Bill Bushkin recommending the Go Blue Bunny with a Chainsaw IPA from Paperback Brewery in Glendale, California. You know what? Before we do the score, let's read some fan mail. All right. Let's see here. This is from, I'm not going to give his address. It is in New York, New York. But, Lamb Chop the Rapper. That's interesting. Let's see what Lamb Chop says. Let's see here. Let's see. Frosty, dig the videos. I listen to your advice and only drink the IPAs that you rate 8.0 or higher. You've changed my life forever. Please Huh? Please accept this $50,000 grill made especially for you. Peace, Lamb Chop the Rapper. P.S. Don't forget to buy my new album, Liquid Streets, available now on Apple Music. Wow. Let's give it a try. All right, man. Just give it a score. Is it going to be in the 8s? No. Is it going to be in the 7s? Yes. This is... That's a 7.7. That's a review.